An Amber Alert has been issued. The Warren County Sheriff's Department is investigating the abduction of a child from Innsbrook, Missouri. How tall is the child? What color are their eyes? What did their laugh sound like? Why can't you remember? What kind of parent are you? What kind of parent forgets their own child? Maybe they left because you forgot them. You forgot them and you can't even remember what their face looks like. You can't even remember their name. Maybe they are better off missing. Maybe you didn't deserve them. Maybe they never existed. The Amber Alert has been retracted. The Warren County Sheriff's Department is ceasing their investigation. Why did you waste everyone's time?